Human analysts should not be optimizing corporate wireless accounts. The math is too complicated for humans to get right, even the clever ones. Human optimization is typically focused on optimizing costs on individual users. This is called local optimization, and it's prone to backfiring by increasing costs elsewhere on the account. The key to maximizing customer savings lies in global optimization, finding the lowest overall cost for an account. In this video, we'll look at how local and global cost optimization works on corporate wireless accounts. It'll become clear that global optimization saves more money but is beyond the capabilities of human analysts. Then, you'll see how automated global cost optimizations from Byte Analytics save money and time over human optimizations and allow technology expense management companies to increase customer retention and loyalty. To explain local and global optimization, let's look at an account with 3 end users. They use only data which can be domestic or roaming. Here you can see what everyone needs. There are 2 plans available. Unlimited domestic data is $100 and 10 GB domestic pooled data is $50. There are 2 features available. Daily roaming is $10 per day, with the usage coming from the price plan allowance. Monthly roaming is $40 for 5 GB. Each user has 4 possible configurations of plans and features, all with different cost outcomes. This account with 4 configurations per user and 3 users will have 64 possible configurations, and the cost outcomes have been calculated in the spreadsheet. For user 1, the cost can be $80, $90, $130, or $140, and since 80 is the lowest, this is the local optimization for user 1. When we optimize for user 1, there are 16 possible cost outcomes depending on how users 2 and 3 are configured. As you can see here, the lowest possible cost for the account when optimizing for user 1 is $430. When we optimize for user 2 instead of user 1, the local optimization is $150, and the lowest possible cost for the account is $535. And when we optimize for user 3 at $80, the lowest possible account cost is $410. So, the lowest achievable cost for the account when performing any local optimization is $410. Now let's perform global optimization. This column has the total account cost for all 64 possible configurations of the 3 users. We will give it a sort to find the global optimization, which is the lowest cost of $380. The global optimization is $30 lower than the best case scenario with local optimization. This is the Byte Analytics advantage. While all 3 users pay more than their local minimum, global optimization results in a lower overall cost for the account. And the difference can be significant, over 7% in this case. Our example so far is straightforward, and global optimization can be done manually. Consider what happens when we increase the number of users to 10, 20, and 50. The number of possible combinations quickly becomes unmanageable. And it's not just data. There are other types of usage, like voice and messaging. There are usually many plans available, not just 2, and just as many features. The complexity deepens when certain plans don't support all features, and eligibility often depends on the type of device being used. These countless dependencies make global cost optimization the only effective way to minimize costs for corporate wireless accounts. And wireless users change their usage patterns all the time, so the optimal setup to minimize costs is constantly changing. Global optimization calculations should be performed at scale multiple times a month on accounts with many end users and complex plan and feature offerings. This is beyond what human analysts can achieve, but it's exactly what Byte Analytics was built for. Byte offers benefits that extend well beyond cost savings. It allows technology expense management companies to automate a previously manual process, saving time and reducing reliance on human labor. Byte also enriches billing data to help with those quirks of working with the wireless carriers. For example, how many different ways can they spell the same country name, with accents, designations, and the occasional ampersand? Those carriers find an incredible number of ways to represent the same country. Byte's smart approach to country mapping, linked to standardized country codes, is just one way that Byte enriches billing data to drive cost savings and clarity. The greatest advantage Byte offers lies in strengthening customer loyalty and retention. When customers inevitably seek justification from technology expense management companies for the cost of their services, Byte Analytics becomes the ultimate secret weapon, delivering the insights needed to exceed expectations. Byte can simulate for a customer what their costs would be with different types of optimization. At the bottom is the simulated cost with no optimization. At the top is a perfectly optimized account with zero inefficiency. The first level of savings is what you get from human optimization, a nice improvement over doing nothing. The second level is the incremental savings that Byte's global optimization of monthly billing data can save over local optimization. The third and final level of savings comes from combining global optimization with real-time usage data and Oraculum, Byte's predictive analytics feature. By predicting the optimal costs for the coming month instead of the most recent month, Byte will allow customers to achieve near-perfect optimization. This tiered approach allows customers to see not just cost savings, but also the financial consequences of losing access to Byte's global optimization capabilities. It's a persuasive case for retention and ongoing value. If you are curious to learn more about Byte and see it in action, I would love to talk to you. Here's how to find me. You can also find a link to a video demo in the description below. Thanks for watching.